Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. I cannot thank you enough. Thank you so much. This time for tuning into my 2,952nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. It's Tuesday night. This video is for trading on Wednesday, August 6th, 2025. Please remember how risky trading is. We literally got our butts kicked trading on Monday, right? We got short, market went up, we got stopped. Trading is risky. I've been doing this for 45 some odd years, and we got stopped on Monday. Put your stops in, put them in first, and we don't expect to get stopped on Wednesday. All right, so traders, this is the Russell 2000 daily bar chart. This is the exact chart I put in front of you last night before this daily bar existed. It wasn't there yet. And I said, listen, here we go again, question mark. What am I speaking about? Well, what I'm saying is, let me move this little thing out of the way. What I'm saying is this. We have noticed something I like to consider a repetitive pattern. That is to the top of this channel, to the bottom of this channel, to the top of this channel, towards the bottom of the channel, back to the top of the channel, top of the channel, top of the channel, but this time it's staying above the 200 bar moving average, right? It's only going there and back up. Again to the top of the channel, again to the top of the channel. Now we get below the 200 finally. Where do we go? Bottom of the channel. All right, what normally happens there is it starts heading back to the top of the channel. So that's what I told you last night. This bar did actually happen today. This one with the arrow, I'm going to put under it right now. It did go higher. We're still above the 200 bar moving average, and I am here to say the jury is not out yet. You know, in other words, the jury's still in. We don't know. They haven't come out of the jury room to tell us if we're going to continue up to the top or fail at the 200 bar and carry it lower. I am sticking with this. Repetitive patterns tend to repeat until they repeat no more. So a repetitive pattern is countable and accountable until it stops repeating. I haven't seen this one stop repeating, and I am not calling it done until it calls itself. If it calls itself done, I'll be the first to tell you. Maybe we'll know that because if it doesn't hold up tomorrow and we drop and end up down towards this blue line, then we know that the pattern is changing. So let's see what we're going to get. I say let's just stick to our guns. Don't know if we're going to get filled there, but we got plenty of other markets. I like to refer to them as money trees the OMNI plucks from. Let's see if we can pick or pluck from a few other money trees tomorrow and let these guys do what they need to do to come back to us with a stronger signal. Right now I've got mixed signals, so trading the indices tomorrow doesn't make the best sense anyway. We've got other markets to play with. I'm sure we'll get filled somewhere else. I'm always at livewithoscar.com in my live trading room. I am there all the time, even if the camera's not on and I'm not typing back. You guys know I'm there. I always type when necessary. I always send the flash updates to get us in and out of our trades when necessary. I'm always there to help you when necessary. So, I seen that there were a few traders that left comments. Well, lots of traders always leave comments on my YouTube videos, but one of them left a stock for me to analyze. I will do that for you, and in tomorrow or the next video I put out, I will analyze that stock for you. If you've got something you want me to look at, leave some comments on the bottom of my video. I always answer them personally. I'll see if I could help you out. Traders, that's all I got for you is this one chart for now. I'm not going to tell you the other markets we're getting in. The OMNIACs in the trading room will know. The OMNIACs who subscribe to the Omni trades that we send out every day will know, and we'll let you guys know at the end of the day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and remember, as always, stop in. Emotions are out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like and share these videos. It really helps with the algorithms, and leave your comments below. I will answer them myself.